The John Deere 440 is a classic tractor known for its durability, power, and versatility. Designed to handle a variety of agricultural tasks, this model has earned a reputation for reliability in the field. The front grille features a sturdy steel design with horizontal slats, allowing proper airflow to the engine. Positioned on either side of the grille, the headlights provide clear visibility for early morning or late evening operations. The bold John Deere logo sits prominently on the hood, a testament to the brand's legacy of high-quality farm machinery. Moving in closer to the front axle, the strong and reinforced design ensures stability even when carrying heavy loads. The front tires are slightly smaller than the rear ones, allowing for smooth steering and improved maneuverability. The steel frame provides structural integrity, making it capable of withstanding years of rigorous use. The hood covers a powerful engine, designed to deliver the torque needed for demanding agricultural tasks. The exhaust pipe extends upward, directing fumes away from the operator for a safer and more comfortable experience. From the side view, the length and balance of the John Deere 440 are evident. The engine compartment is compact yet powerful, while the operator's platform is positioned at the center for easy access to all controls. The fuel tank is located in a convenient spot, ensuring quick refueling without obstruction. The exhaust system is designed to minimize noise while maintaining efficient engine performance. The side panels protect internal components while allowing sufficient cooling for optimal operation. Moving towards the rear, the large rear tires are built for superior traction, ensuring stability on various terrains, whether muddy, dry, or uneven. The deep treads allow for a firm grip, making plowing, hauling, and other farming tasks more efficient. The rear fenders are curved over the tires, preventing dirt and debris from splattering onto the operator. The hitch system is built to accommodate different farming implements, increasing the tractor's versatility. The hydraulic system ensures smooth lifting and lowering of attachments, enhancing productivity in the field. The rear lights are positioned to provide clear visibility when working at night or in low-light conditions. Stepping into the interior, the operator's platform is designed for both functionality and comfort. The seat is cushioned and positioned to provide a clear view of the surroundings. The large steering wheel offers smooth handling, allowing precise control even on rough terrain. The dashboard features essential gauges, including speed, fuel level, and engine temperature, providing real-time information to the operator. The gear shift levers are strategically placed for easy access, ensuring seamless transitions between speeds and power levels. The foot pedals, including the clutch, brake, and accelerator, are positioned for natural use, reducing operator fatigue during long hours of work. A closer look at the control panel reveals a well-organized layout, making operation straightforward. The hydraulic levers allow easy adjustment of attachments, making the John Deere 440 suitable for a range of tasks. The throttle lever provides precise speed control, ensuring efficiency in different farming operations. The overall simplicity of the controls makes this tractor easy to operate, whether by an experienced farmer or someone new to agricultural machinery. Zooming out, the John Deere 440 stands as a testament to durability and performance. Its robust build, reliable engine, and user-friendly design make it an invaluable asset for any farm. Whether plowing fields, transporting materials, or performing general maintenance, this tractor delivers consistent performance in all conditions. The combination of power, stability, and versatility ensures that the John Deere 440 remains a trusted machine in the agricultural industry. As the final shot captures the tractor in motion, rolling through a field with the sun setting in the background, the John Deere 440 proves its worth once again. With its timeless design and engineering excellence, it continues to be a vital tool for farmers who rely on efficiency and reliability. The legacy of the John Deere 440 lives on, a symbol of strength and dependability in the world of farming.